Hello lovely people, it's your girl Paper Robin, and in today's video we have me sketching this elf I drew, and while it's going we're gonna have a little D&D trivia to see how well I actually know D&D. So, first question is, which of these is not a class? It has a druid, rapscallion, barbarian, or rogue. Obviously a rapscallion. Yeah, that's right. Which nickname is the game known by? They have Dragon Game, Double D, RPG, or D&D. Give me something hard! That's obviously D&D, if you guys didn't know. That's literally, I think, what I said when I started this video. It says, what year was the game first introduced? I think it was 1974, but that's not on the list. It has 1969, 1979, 1989, 1999. I don't think that has the right answer. Let me Google this real quick. Yeah, it says 1974. Hey, I was righter than, that's a word, righter than the thing. So I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Goodbye.